his music is saying you to the audience, but in a really beautiful way. It's like, you, I love you, now let me play you some beautiful music, you know? So there's this feeling like they're gonna do whatever they want and assert their own will and not worry about how it's being understood or whatever. Yet the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
There's no difference between you and I. We share the same sunshine from the same sky. When it rains on both you and I. Gotta sink or swim, now it's do or die. It goes hashtag body bag, toe tag, shot in the chest. Hashtag body bag. Even when I'm on my last breath, till we get reciprocity. How can we stand by? Yesterday I turned on the TV, I saw another man down. He was screaming he can't breathe no more. He held his hands high, but then he got struck down. Oh, he got struck down. I saw the body drop. Difference between you and I. Same space and time that we occupy. We all just looking for a piece of the pie. We went blind, going eye for an eye. It goes hashtag body bag, toe how can we stand by? Yesterday I turned on the TV, I saw another man down. He was screaming, he can't breathe no more. He held his hands high, but then he got struck down. Oh, he got struck down. I saw the body drop. On the 6 o'clock. I saw the body drop. On the 6 o'clock. Struck down. Struck down. I won't give no fucks, I won't take no shit. Try to burn me down, get this whole place lit. I won't give no fucks, I won't take no shit. They said they want war, this is it. Let the body drop.
Very efficient.
I haven't written anything in a minute. My best thoughts lie in my lowest moments. A deep pot sober with ominous omens. Harmonious rhyme schemes about as bright as a high beam. I'm walking a tightrope and running a rat race, but coming in last place. Can tell you what that feel. The epitome of a congratulatory ribbon. Still is spit the sickest and some and some. Isolated nigga second to none. Wandering looking for purpose. I'm lost, I know that for certain. Now take a look behind the curtains. More than easy, I never beat the odds. I do believe in God. I've been around the block. I took a couple steps, I couldn't keep the pace. Bought in my post-traumatic rant, that's just manic depression. Can't pull myself out of this hole that I was fucking left in. My mind's a landfill of landmines. Watch where you step in. Wishing that sanity would intervene and fucking step in. You know, like pull me back when I'm regressing. 27 years old, I still make the same mistakes as an adolescent. I'm brain dead half the time, I'm just a convalescence. Coughing and stressing from the pressure, about to light the essence. I live in hell, it's hard to tell, this weed is heaven sent it. So fuck Alexa Pro, this indica's antidepressant. Non-selective, narcoleptic, narcissistic, non-objective. Been subjected to the old convictions, fucking intervention. Interjecting with some interesting, introspective thoughts that I think aloud. You think I'm too, I'm heaven bound and demon proof. Must have been something in that water I was baptized in. I feel more than fatigued, I feel morbid but free. Respution on my final ride, like why the fuck you keep adjusting my seats? I'm well aware the thoughts of speech become reality. Reactions to our energy is significant in the scheme. A dirty soul with rotten knees, the outcome ain't clean. Negative pessimistic shit is sick as HIV. Can have you on your deathbed with cold sheets and no pillow. Silly posturepedic, trying to fix your posture for you posthumous. A pot your court to meet the Lord. The list of sins you're paying for is more than you can afford, but hopefully the pasture's green and it's everything they described to us. Books written by men with sins, I hope they didn't lie to us. Rest easy.
Arnaud, ça sert à rien de continuer. Ouais. Je pensais qu'il y aurait un paysage, mais ça sert à rien de continuer. C'est galère en sportive. Bon, faut faire demi-tour maintenant. Ah Tranquille, tranquille.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah. Slow up. I stay young, no I never grow up. Keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me it was good to know ya. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not